Titos and Titas, Danny Cordero, TitoFit. So today we have a very special treat for all of you. All the way from Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, we have one of the most sought after coaches there, Coach Danny Cordero. Ito coach, alam ko maraming curious dito. Anong average na kita ng isang trainer sa Dubai? Ano yung on the lower end at ano yung on the higher end?
150 dirham
PT,
which is so times 14, okay? 1,000 dirham.
1,000 dirhams per session. Ang high end. Ang high end. Tapos on the low end, 100. So 150 times.
Ang median dito, yung 1,000 very few and very parang ano na lang, nag-privilege to have like a prince or a sheikh.
yes.
Or royal to be trained by them. So ibang usapan yon. But in terms of the general population, hanggang 500 and then regularly 300 dirham.
So 150 dirhams is, for the information of our viewers, it's about 2,000 pesos. No? Tapos yung sabi mo up to about 500, tama? 500 on the higher end. Pero yun yung general population pa rin. About 6,600 pesos per session. Yes.
Yeah. So mabot ko doon, pero sa general population ngayon, yung client ko, nagre-range sa 300, and normally pag 1 month program, $1,000 per month, or $100 per session, or 360 dirham.
That's pretty accurate. Kasi I remember when I was staying in the US before, and this is about 2012, before I moved to Dubai, no? And I remember most good trainers like sa Equinox, medyo higher end na gym sa Equinox, they would really charge about starting nila is about $100 per hour, and then some of them even $200 per hour. So I remember na parang of course dito sa Pilipinas, ang common practice dito is minsan on the lower end, 'di ba, mga 750 to 800 per hour. And then on the higher end, up to mga 2,000, ganyan, 2,000 mataas.
May commission pa yung gym dyan, di ba? May cut pa.
Yes, may commission pa yung gym. Not unless freelance ka. Pero kasi like, kagaya ngayon, new normal, nag-adapt na rin talaga yung mga trainer. And syempre wala nang commission yung gym, nagsarili na. So, dyan, how has it changed for, kasi you guys, you guys are unique, have a unique experience kasi you went online, nagsara yung mga gyms.
Yes.
You went online, ganito rin, Zoom din. Tapos, nagbukas na ulit. Diba? So, may nagbago ba? May mga nagstay na ba online or bumalik din sa lahat sa gym eventually? Ano mo doon?
Sa experience ko, before I resigned sa Fit Republic, so I decided to resign even though I'm doing very well there, to pursue my own, because I cannot follow my passion of cycling, triathlon training, and everything.
Tali ka sa oras.
Bob, hindi pwedeng ganito, hindi pwedeng ganitong oras ka, hindi ka pwedeng mag-travel, hindi ka pwedeng, so kailangan sundin mo yung kumpanya, which I understand.
Yes.
So I decided to be my own boss before mag-lockdown pa yung mga COVID na yan.
Okay.
And then nung December pa lang, I started learning or studying about online coaching. So pinag-aralan ko yung True Coach, PT Distinction, PT Hub, Trainerize. So tinignan ko na kung which one will I
platform
or pag-aralan, which yung kukuhanin ko. And I ended up having my own brand, LifeSpark, under Trainerize. So yung branding is LifeSpark. So when client download the apps, it's yung company name ko yung lumalabas. And then yung program, nag-i-input ako ng sarili kong video. Though may thousands of libraries na nandoon. So timing talaga. Hindi ko alam na magkaka-lockdown, pero dahil mag-freelancing na ako, nag-venture ako, nag-invest ako ng oras, time, and money to have that coaching app. More content. You will see almost all of my posting, online coach, online transformation coach, personal trainer. You'll see them. So magkakaroon ka ng inquiries. So it helps a lot during the quarantine and the lockdown. Kasi I think I have around like 15 clients online, and regular charge is like $99. So imagine mo na lang sa 10 clients paying $99.
Yeah, $1,000 easy. Yeah. Ano pa lang yun? Online pa lang yun. I'm sure you still conduct your live. Like kanina lang, di ba? Yung message mo sa akin, may tinatapos ka pang actual na kliyente.
So, those online clients, international yon. Madami sa Pilipinas, pero it's not only Philippine. Kasi, pag so, kailangan yung mga fitness professional na nakikinig, you have to also do marketing on Facebook. So, yung mga paid ads and targeting specific clients. Eventually, yung exercise na pinapakita nyo na tips and everything will reach a certain individual, hindi lang sa UAE or Philippines. So you have to do target marketing. So kasama yun sa pag-ano. And then, keep posting every day. Kasi iba tinatamad Iba parang baka hindi nila.
Yung gusto nila yung mabilisan kasi na bigla. Hindi nila nagtindihan. It's in and of itself, it's a grind, di ba?
It's a real, out of 100, magkakaroon ka ng mga 2 inquiries. Doon sa 2 inquiries, baka wala pang. So, kailangan talaga everyday content, engagement. Sagutin mo yung mga questions, answers. Punta ka ng Instagram, comment dun sa mga fitness related. Puntahan mo yung hashtag na personal training, online coaching, and then like, comment, feedback.
Engagement talaga. That's really how it is.
And then yung name, yung account mo will travel worldwide, and then suddenly magkakaroon ka na lang ng clients na makakakita no sa mga input mo. So recently I just have my 2 clients on cycling, which is kind of new to me,
Yeah, but you already have 2, considering it's very new to you, diba? That's a good thing.
So I'm always into transformation, bodybuilding, competition. Yung mga program ko, weight loss, fat loss. But now, dahil nung April, May, I'm always sharing my live workout. And then I'm explaining what I'm doing. I'm doing an energy system development training. So what does it do? I'm developing this fast twitch muscle responsible for sprinting. I'm doing a threshold this time. I'm doing a cadence training. All for free. Yung iba natuturete na yung mga common followers mo, lagi kang nakikita na napapagod na sa'yo. Pero huwag mo silang iisipin. Ang iisipin mo, yung mga nare-reach ng market mo, share mo yung video mo sa Dubai Cycling Community, sa Global Cycling Community. Hanggang sa dumating na yung point na yung Ruby is the virtual partner of Ironman in terms of the cycling. Diba yung Ironman na yun, VR na. I think I'm the only Filipino who is a Ruby ambassador.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not good cyclist, not even a pro. My capacity as a cyclist is average. My watt is like 3.2 right now. Pero yung grind ko, and I can sustain that. I mean, pag pinag-compete mo ako sa mga veterans dito, nasa above average na ako. Even though they started like way 15 years younger than me ng cycling. Yes, because I have an understanding of the energy system and the training system and the muscles. I was able to progress.
Yes.
Hanggang sa yung mga dati mong kaibigan, medyo na sa'yo, hindi mo pa rin iisipin niya, pero mararamdaman mo may friction Hindi na umiimik sa'yo, hindi na naglalike doon sa mga
may kasabihan nga, di ba, Coach, na ang pinakamahirap kumbinsihin na sumuporta sa negosyo mo is pamilya mo at kaibigan mo.
Ay, tama.
Mauuna, kasi ang unang iisipin nila is pinagkakakitaan mo sila. Di ba? I mean, it's one of the things na medyo negative minsan sa atin, no? Na hindi naman natin lahat, pero may ganun talaga.
Pero luckily, isa sa mga sumusuporta sa akin sa online business ko is yung family naman ng wife ko side.
Oh, that's good.
I mean, even though there's like discounted, as
yes. Hindi naman wala yan sa atin.
At least may support na. Very appreciative ako doon na sinusuportahan niya si Coach Dan during this trying time. So, it's good. But yeah, friends, iimbitahin mo to be on your group and everything. Parang ini-snap ka na and everything. Hindi ka napapansinin.
Totoo yan.
Hindi mo ilalagay sa kukote mo yan. You just keep grinding.
Minsan kapansin ka lang nila kapag ka talagang successful ka na. Diba? Medyo parang parang feeling ko baka skeptical sila kung itutuloy mo ba to o ano ba yan, yung bagong racket lang ba yan? Yeah.
Correct. Right now, nakita mo yung Life Spark Cycling Team or Cycling Club.
Nakita ko, pinost ko, dami na kayo.
Nasa 150 na yung members nun. And then,
pero yung mo na nagra-ride, ilan yun? Yung nakakasama mo nagra-ride talaga, ilan yun?
Minsan, nasa 30 yung group eh. I mean, madami yung group. And then, pero yung Life Spark, international na din ngayon. So, may member ako from Philippines. And then, they will order nila yung jersey, yung kit.
Okay.
Nakalagay yung Life Spark, which is my company name.
Yes.
So, nagustuhan nila yung jersey. And then, right now, nasa dealing na with sponsors. So, hopefully, may mag-sponsors na nung kit para yung member, they will just receive the kit for free and then yung fee nila for the jersey will go to the development of athletes, of the members, So, yeah, kasama na nag-i-evolve. So, sa fitness industry, ilang taon na ako dito? 27. And the one thing that keep me here, nandito pa rin ako, magsi-50 na, is keep yung continuing education. So, una, encyclopedia of bodybuilding lang, and then and then AFPP seminars lang, and then nagkaroon ng certification, personal training certification. I became a yoga certified trainer as well. Nagturo ako ng yoga, nagturo ako ng aerobics. Aerobics ako, yung 16 count na grapevine and everything. Pinasok ko din yan nung panahong 90s. Naging aerobic teacher ako. Parang akala ko, sumasayaw si Coach Dan.
Kasi, naalala ko nung mga panahon ng Great Bodies, kasama sa routine nyo yun di ba?
Yes.
Aerobics na.
Kailangan ko nung mag-aerobics. Yan. And then, dumating yung CrossFit. So, dumating yung TRX certification. And then, alam mo yung FMS siguro.
Yes,
of course.
Functional Movement Screen, of course.
Yes. So, lahat yan. Habang dumadating yung mga bagong training, certification, strength and conditioning, hindi ko alam yan before.
Coach, ito, alam ko, ikaw open-minded ka sa ganyan. And myself also. Ano masasabi mo sa mga Pinoy na gastos naman yan? Yung, alam mo yung hirit-hirit nila, di ba? Mahal naman ng mga certification na yan. Ano masasabi mo sa ganun?
You have to begin with the end in mind. Sinasabi natin. So you sharp yung 7 habits of highly effective people, i-apply nila yun. Very effective yun. You sharpen the saw. Ano ba yung skills mo? Ano ba yung alam mo? Alam mo mag competition training. Hasahin mo yun. Ano yung pwede mong pag-aralan pa para mahasa yun, yung skills mo yun. Okay, alam mo ang strength and conditioning. Ano yung mga pwede mo pang idagdag para ma-enhance mo yun? Now, alam mo yung triathlon or Ironman or cycling. So, papasukin mo kung ano naman yung mga edukasyon na pwede mong idagdag doon.
Galing.
So, sharpen the saw. Kasi pag namuro ka na, when you stop sharpening the saw, when you stop learning, you start dying, you start slowing down. Yung mawawala ka na. Mawala ka na. Those people before, madami pa rin nung ino-offer ko yung certification. Hindi yan, wala yan. Experience yan. Wala, hindi mahalaga yung certification na yan. Education is important but muscle is more importanter. Yun yung logo nila. Importanter daw muscle.
Naalala ko yan. Naalala ko yung mga meathead, mga muscle head. Tinatawag ko lang ganun, di ba?
Yeah.
But I know your time is very valuable but we're very thankful for having you on the show. We're starting this out. You're the very first. All our guests will answer 3 questions. 3 quick questions, rapid fire lang. No time to think. 10 seconds maximum to think. Si Austin na ang mag-aano ng questions nyo.
Okay, Coach. Ready?
Yeah.
First question. What's your favorite cheat meal?
Cheat meal. Cheesecake. Sweets. Mostly sweets.
Okay, sino favorite mong bodybuilder?
Arnold Schwarzenegger, of course.
Tito.
At syempre, dahil ito ay TitoFit YouTube channel, ano po ang iyong favorite na YouTube channel, Tito?
TitoFit!
Ayun, mga kaibigan, wala pong impluensya sa amin yan. Sinabi na po.
Wala.
Guys, at dami na pulot. Yung mga nanonood mo to, lalo na yung mga fitness professionals na ina-ambisyon nila makapagturo sila sa Dubai or makapag-trabaho sila sa Dubai. Guys, learn from someone who's already made it. Sabi nga nila, wag mo nang, don't reinvent the wheel. You just have to follow the path of those who've gone before you. Correct? So, maraming salamat.
May mga trails tayong sinusundan eh.
Exactly.
People, may trails yan eh. So, susundan natin yan. Yeah.
Maliit na yung mundo ngayon. Maraming salamat. Nakakausap ka nga namin ngayon and you're in Dubai. We're in the Philippines.
Galing, no? Technologies.
Oo nga eh. Thank you very much, Coach Dan. So for all of you watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. Kung may natutunan ka, make sure to give this video a like. Comment down below. Kung gusto nyo makita si Coach Dan dito, comment down below. Alright? Follow Coach Dan. We'll link to his social media channel sa baba. Kung gusto nyo matuto pa from Coach Dan. Thank you very much, Coach Dan.